Students, hope you all will be enjoying your Google classes. Student, today we will discuss about marine life. Open your GK book page number 18, and before starting the topic I want to remind you that please follow all the guidelines for avoiding the infection of corona disease. Wash your hands and use mask and maintain social distancing. Okay, and be safe and happy. Now here on the screen you can see a picture. There is tortoise on the picture, there is water. This is life inside the sea. As you all know that there is more than 70% water in the earth. So inside the sea there is more species than the land. So we need to understand some of species in this chapter. We are going to understand, and these species, these plants, animals and other organisms that live in the salt water. You can see on the screen there is a image, two images on the screen. One is this one and second one this one. First image, this is sea otter, and in Hindi you can see it समुद्री उदबिलाव. इसका वेट होता है बेटे 14 से 15 केजी के बीच में, और मोटी चर्बी से बनी हुई खाल होती है इनके पास. घने बाल होते हैं जो इनको गर्म रखते हैं. बिकॉज सी ऑटर लिव्स इन कोल्ड वेदर, जहाँ ठंडा है, कोल्ड इन्वायरमेंट, जहाँ कोल्ड इन्वायरमेंट होता है वहाँ पर ये रहते हैं बेटे. दैट स्पीसीज वॉज इन इंडेंजर्ड में एक बार इनकी स्पीसीज आ गई थी बेटे, इनकी जाति, बिकॉज मैनी पीपल स्टार्टेड हंटिंग देम. तो वो लोग इसकी चर्बी युक्त खालों के लिए, उनके घने बालों की वजह से इनका क्या करते थे, हंटिंग करते थे. बट फिर इनकी हंटिंग के ऊपर बैन लगाया गया. नाउ इनकी जो नंबर्स है, इनका जो पॉपुलेशन है, धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर, दैट फिश वॉज नोन एज बाराकुडा. शाइनी फिश और वेरी शार्प टीथ होते हैं इसके. ठीक है, दैट फिश ऑल्सो लिव्स इनसाइड द वाटर, इनसाइड सी. एंड हेयर ऑन द स्क्रीन यू कैन सी अ ब्यूटिफुल फिश. दिस इज क्लॉन फिश, 11 centimeter long, and life of that fish about 6 to 10 years. Okay, and in the next picture you can see there is a lamprey without jaw. एक्चुअली में इसके पास जबड़े नहीं होते बेटे. ये क्या करता है, कोई भी चीज़ विद द हेल्प ऑफ हिज, ये जो स्पंज टाइप स्ट्रक्चर है इसी से सक करता है बेटे. नाउ लेट्स मूव next picture. You can see that species, that sea animal, this is known as manatee. You can say it sea cow, and it is herbivorous and never hurt anyone. Okay, very calm animal. And in the second picture you can see oysters. Oyster is the source of pearls. Okay, and in the next picture you can see scallop. Scallop means घुमा हुआ. That means, have you seen that cream roll? If you will see cream roll from outer side, cream roll is hard, but inside there is a cream. So in the same way, scallop is hard from the outside, but inside there is cream type of structure. Okay, and this is known as scallop. And in the next screen you can see walrus. Walrus is a mammal, and it has flippered. It is flippered marine mammal. You know what is mammal means? A mammal is an animal that breathes air, has a backbone, and grows hair at some point during its life. This is known as mammal. Now let's move to the next screen. In your book you can see there is a puzzle. You need to solve that puzzle. I will show you some of the words here, but the rest of words you need to find out. Okay, how you will find? You will find across, you can find across, and you can find down, and you can find diagonally. Okay, like that way. So in this way you need to find any word. Suppose that you can see a word here, this is SEALS, seals, and that word you will see here also. In your book there is a group of words, these all words inside that puzzle, and you need to select them in a across order, in a down order, and in a diagonal order. Okay, like that way. And across you can see a word here, like that you need to select it. This is clownfish. Okay, like that. And here you can see another word across, this is manatee, the cow, sea cow. So you can find out the word like that way. Okay, so this practice you need to do today, and we will meet again in next session. Till then, be safe and be happy. Bye bye.